I use a variety of art learning tools to help my kids learn, review, practice, and experience art concepts during their homeschool lessons. I've posted videos sharing the homeschool learning tools we use for English, math, science, social studies, music, health, and PE. In this video, I'll be sharing the art learning tools that we use most often. If you'd like to enjoy a thriving homeschool experience too, be sure to subscribe for videos to empower you, for tools to help you start homeschooling, and for support along your homeschooling journey. To get them familiar with the basics of art, I use charts and flashcards. They use their color flashcards to review colors and blending techniques. They use their shapes flashcards to review both two-dimensional and three-dimensional shapes. They use the elements of art chart that I made them to stay mindful of the different elements that they can use to create their artwork, such as texture and value, and to get familiar with art principles such as variety and movement so that they can know and apply these principles to any arts and crafts project. To learn about specific art mediums, we use videos and arts and crafts materials. They watch videos of artists to see the process and the tools that artists use for a specific art medium, and to see examples of finished artwork within that medium. But they spend the vast majority of their homeschool art lessons creating artwork, each time trying out a specific medium. They use things like paint to study painting. They use food like turmeric and berries to make and try tie-dyeing, Play-Doh to try their hand at sculpture, fabric to learn the art of sewing, and face paint to be little makeup artists. They use their hands, hair clips, and hair ties to practice the art of hairstyling. They use wood, nails, and a hammer to try out carpentry, items from nature like leaves to try printmaking and also to make artistic collages. They use yarn for embroidery, and they use food to try their hand at culinary arts, plating their food artfully. And while they work, regardless of the art medium that they're trying out, they use the terms from their elements of art and principles of design charts to discuss what they're making. If you're interested in using some of the same art learning tools that we use, you can find links to download the charts and flashcards we use, links to the art video playlists we use, and also links to some of the arts and crafts tools we got, all in the description below. So these are the elements of art tools we use most of the time. We don't use many worksheets for art since it's a subject that's more creative in nature, so I save their beautiful creations and show their finished artwork for portfolio reviews. Some worksheets that they complete that I save for portfolio reviews are their Elements of Art worksheets and Principles of Design worksheets. I use these to challenge them to create drawings using each element of art and each principle of design. All right, I hope this helps you to enjoy a thriving homeschool experience. Be sure to check out the links below and to subscribe for more homeschooling ideas and for homeschooling support, and I'll see you in the next video. Very neat. I'm gonna do that, and it's gonna close. Try closing it. Oh, maybe we should put it on the edge. You think we should put it on the edge?
What edge?
Here. Oh, it's